Hello, welcome once again. Now, in this section, remember we looked at what HTML is, the three common HTML terms and the likes. Okay, so in this section right now, we're going to start with HTML5 document structure. So I'm going to start using, let me use brackets. All right, so this is brackets right now. Okay, now let me now go to file. I've opened up bracket. Remember, this is bracket. So open up file then, and I'm going to go to new. Now, this is small. If I type on it, it's going to look small. So let me go to view. Let me just show you. If you go to view right now, you can increase the font size. So I'm going to increase my own font size right now to make it bigger for you guys to see. So that's the shortcut is Control plus. Okay. So let's go. Let me quickly make it bigger for you guys to see right now. Control plus. So you can see it's getting bigger, right? Good. All right, let me stop here. Now let's start. To start coding, the basic HTML5 structure is this. First of all, less than. Your less than is shift comma, that's less than. Then shift 1, that is your full stop. Exclamation mark. Then caps lock on doc type. You might not use caps lock, you might doc type HTML and then this. Okay, greater than. Can you see that? That's your first line of code. Now, if I go over here, let me scroll to this is for Notepad, right? Look at it right now. That's the first. Okay, can you see it? That's the first line of code in HTML5. This doc type is a declaration which is informing the browser which version of HTML is being used. So this exclamation mark doc type HTML is informing the browser which version of HTML is being used and is placed at the very beginning of the HTML document. At the very beginning of the HTML document. That's how it is done. Okay. So it's telling the browser, hey browser, I'm an HTML5 document. Okay. Okay. Now let me quickly save it so that you can start seeing the color. So file and then, okay, file and save. Let me just save it for the purpose of this. Let me just save it inside my desktop. Let me call it practice. Okay, let me just call it practice. Now you must save it as .html or .htm, whichever one is suitable with you, .html or .htm. So let me use .htm. Okay, anyone that's suitable with you. So now let me save it as, remember there's no space. So for instance, I used practice.htm or HTML. Save. Now, this is it. Now let me press my enter key. Less than again, the next one is going to be what? HTML. So HTML tag, right? Good. HTML tag. Okay. Now let me press my. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? Let me use a shortcut with this. Use a shortcut. Let me just type in HTML. This is bracket, right? HTML. If I type in HTML and I press my tab key on my keyboard, it's going to give me the open and close of HTML. So this is the open HTML tag, and this is the close HTML tag. Okay, so that's it. Now let me press my enter key. So on line 3 right now, so I've opened and closed it, right? Good. Now the next one, what I think the next one is going to be ed. So let's go. Oh, sorry, let me just type in ed. So if I just type in ed right now and I click on my tab key on my keyboard, tab, T-A-B. See? Open and close. Did you see that? So title, and then I press my tab key on my keyboard. See that? Title. Okay, good. So we have doc type HTML. This is the basic structure. Doc type HTML, HTML open, HTML tag, HTML open tag, HTML close tag, ed open tag, ed close tag, title open tag, title closed tag. Now after the ed right now, I can now press my enter key under here and then type in body, B-O-D-Y, body, and then I press my tab key on my keyboard, tab, T-A-B, see, body. All right, so this is the basic HTML5 structure. Basic. Everything that is going to be in your website is going to be inside body. Now let me show you this. Everything inside this Atom website, everything you're seeing right now inside this Atom website is included inside the body tag. Let me prove it to you. Look at the body tag. Can you see the body tag? Everything here is inside the body tag. Everything. So the body tag houses everything you see here. Everything. And let me show you where the body tag closes. Where's the body tag? Body. Okay, I can't find it right now, but it's right somewhere there. Let me search for it. Control F to find. Let me search for body. Okay, body 1. This is the first one, right? Then T body. No, this is for table. Aha, look at it. Oh, good. See it? I didn't even see it right now. Can you see right now? Body tag is the second to the last tag after HTML. HTML is the last tag, while that's closed HTML tag is the last tag, while closed body is the last tag. So everything in the website is included inside the body tag, So anything you see in your website, anything you can see in your website is in the body tag, is inside. So if I start putting things inside here right now, that's what's going to appear. So this is how a basic HTML5 structure looks like. Now this title right now, let me just write title. Let me just write practice as my title. Practice as my title, right? Now let me save it. Control S or Command S to save it. Now I've saved it, right? Good. Now let me click on this. Did you see this place? This place is called live preview. That's on brackets, live review. So if I click on live review right now, it's going to load, connecting. Now see it right here. It's come up. Okay, now look at my title. Can you see my title? My title is what? Practice. And that's exactly what I have right here, practice. Okay, so your title is what appears on top right here. This is your practice. All right, this is the title. So whenever you go to any website, what you always find on top of that website is your title. Okay, every time, any website you go to, you will always find your title right there. Okay, now let me show you this one also. Can you see the title here? The title here is Atom. The title here, see the title here is bracket. That's the title. The title here is Sublime Text Editing Done. See? Okay, so that's how titles work. Title appears at the top, the bar, okay, the tab of every web page you visit. That's the title. So that's how title works. So this is my own title right now. Can you now see that? Good. Now, let me use Sublime Text to show you something. Now, this is Sublime Text, right? If I go right now to File, New File, all right? Now, if I go to File and New File in Sublime Text, and then I do something, I type in, okay, let me first of all save it. Let me save it into my document again. Let me call it pract pract.html. Okay, now that is saved. See, I saved it as pract.html, right? Good. Now in Sublime Text, okay, you can actually just type in HTML and then you press your tab, T-A-B on your keyboard, tab. See, it gives you everything. How cool is that? Okay, how cool is that? See, doc type HTML. But first of all, remember, you must save it as a .html file before this works. You must save it as a .html file before this works. So you can see the basic structure of an HTML5 page is, it starts with doc type, exclamation mark doc type HTML, HTML tag, then close it, add and close it, add tag, open add tag and close add tag, title and close it, that's open title and close title, body, open body and then close body. This is the basic HTML5 structure. Okay, this is the basic what? HTML5 structure. Let me do it again so you can see it. Let me remove this again and then HTML, then I'll just make sure you saved it first as a .html or .htm file. Then you type in HTML, then you press your tab, then it gives you the basic HTML structure, okay, of any web page you see. That cool? Yeah, that's cool. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Do have fun. Take care. Bye.